Hi guys, this is quick review and usage demo for Focemta Circuit Breaker Finder FTCT01. I received this as the evaluation sample from the vendor, but I will share my independent and honest opinion. First, I see a very handy carry-on case. It's a little bit bigger than iPhone SE, very portable. It's including everything, put everything. Here's a one-pager to show the different adapter for your receiver. Here's a main menu, pretty straightforward, or you can just follow my instruction video. And here's a receiver, is wireless receiver powered by 2 AAA battery. And here's a 3x2 wall outlet. Here's a light socket, so you can also test the socket. And here's very convenient. It's already including double AA and double AAA battery already. Here's the alligator adapter, and you can just use the Prong, very good quality adapter. And here's the main unit is a scan gun. It's a little bit almost the same length as the regular pen. Very handy, very ergonomic. It's weighted about 3.45 ounce, it's very light, and the receiver is about 3.1 ounce. I'm going to show you how to change the battery. First, take the cover and put a double AAA battery in, and then this is the main unit, and open it up. And also slide this battery container is a AA battery, slide it in. By the way, I did not use the included battery, just using some random battery. Make sure it's a metal-to-metal contact, and then put the knot in. Press hold button, the receiver is powered on. You can see this 000, that's the indicator. When you put it on, this is a regular usage to show whether it's in operationable, just a wall outlet. You can test it. It doesn't work as a GFCI, but if you test it, eventually it come back to the regular voltage is 121. That means this is the normal operation. It's at correction. Press hold on and off, and you turn it off. And this is the one I'm going to show you how to using GFCI adapter. Press the test. You can see the green light is flashing. That means in the testing mode. And then you can click the red button, reset it, and back to the normal, and then you have a stable green light for 121. And here I'm going to use how to use the circuit breaker finder to find out which was which. I use a phone to call my home to try which was, but this is very handy. I put it on the wall and on the outlet that I want to detect it, and then press hold. In the learning mode, I just slowly scan all the circuit breaker one by one, and scan everyone, and then I press hold from learning mode into scanning mode, and then I scan one by one to see which one is actually the circuit breaker for the wall. And now when it's funded, it's actually flashing, the red light flashing. That means the indicator is funded. Very good. You can see the audio alarm and also visual alarm, and you can double check. Now you fund it again, and always using the instrument, but also using manual check. You can see if I switch off, everything turned it off. That means I find it this one associated with the switch. Overall, it's very convenient tool. You want to keep this in your house just in case you want to do some circuit breaker repair. 5-star from me, very handy ergonomic design. I really like it. I'll give 5-star. Thank you.